Good morning, everyone. Today I have this Injora switch for a TRX4. It's a power switch, so you don't have to take off the cover every time you want to turn it on and off. It comes with the switch, 2 screws, 2 nuts, and 3 sticky pads. What you're going to need is a 2mm wrench, and if you're deciding to install the bolts, you'll need a 7/64 drill bit. Something to clean off the plastic in the truck is always a good thing. I use a little bit of alcohol, put it on a Q-tip, come in, clean the contacts, anything, make sure there's no debris on it, come in everywhere it's going to be contacting over here, clean this off. Alcohol will dry relatively quick, so by the time you're ready, if you want to, you can just dry it off, help it along a little bit. Then with these sticky pads, you've got 3 different ones for specific areas, and they're going to fit on the bottom, and there's 2 holes with that on the side, and the red side goes down or out, and there, and then on the bottom. So let's get in here and start with taking off this white layer to put down. You have to be a little bit gentle with it, be careful. It could be messed up, but likelihood you have a little bit of a wiggle room. Okay, so we've got let's see if I can get that just, or maybe not. Once that's down, it's down. So you want to line that up as best you can. Okay. So that's down there. You've got on sticky, sticky, sticky. Last one. Line up the holes, obviously. And then we got all the little backings. We got this here, here, and here. What I suggest is dry fitting it before you get in too far, because it could become sticky. Because what I'm noticing is this wire here is a little bit in the way. See, I have to go underneath that wire, and then you're coming in close and tight like that. So I'm coming in on the side. I've got 3 points of contact, and once you get that in, if you want to go further to screw it down, make sure it doesn't go anywhere, you could use the screws, which will require, like I said, that 7/64 drill bit, which we've got right here. So with a one-shot deal with this. We're gonna give it a go. Okay, goes off one red. You could use a razor blade to get underneath this edge, or if you have a little bit of a nail. Fortunately, it's not ungodly difficult to get off. I've dealt with some in the past where you wind up ruining the sticky pad by trying to get it off because it's just low quality. Okay, so we need this to go under there. Okay, so I'm pushing in and down, so I made sure that I get good contact on the side, and the front, and the bottom. And this, I would definitely suggest giving it a time to adhere before you run off and use it. You know, the glue who's on it could take a little bit of time to dry. If you want to bolt it right off the bat, you can do that. Let's see. Ooh. So you can see right there, that's how that's going to work. And now what I'm noticing now, which I didn't notice before, is that other arm. This arm currently appears to be in the way, so I might be able to undo that screw and take out the arm. There we go. Now I got good access to and these are short little pieces, aren't they? Gotta be pretty careful. Go nice and slow. One down, one to go. Okay, now the screw will fit right in. Now I'm using a small screw, so it's literally threading itself into the plastic, but I have the nut as well, which I'm going to use because better safe than sorry. But with that 7/64 in this screw, it'll be able to thread itself right into the plastic. But I would strongly suggest using the nuts. They're there. Now, if you do use the screws, obviously you don't have to worry about the sticky. Um, I know some companies only give you sticky pads, and I've seen some 3D printed ones and whatnot. So let me grab my handy dandy little tool. I think this will fit. No, I need the other one. Let's see. Okay, so it's a different size. Let me find what size that nut is. Let's see what we've got here. We've got 4mm, which it, nope. I'm wondering if it's not a metric. Okay, so it's not a metric screw. So let's go and check this. Is the 7/32? There we go. It is 7/32 as well. I was assuming it was a metric because most of the time they are, but this in fact is not a metric. So you will need a 7/32 nut driver, which I have right here. So we're going to get it started. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so got that in there. Let's get the other one. There we go. You don't have to make it really, really tight. You don't want to get anything crazy. And then this is going to come back in here, slides in here, put our screw back here, and yeah, it's not taking a whole lot of stress on it. So, bam, we're done. I mean, the whole video, we're talking less than 15 minutes to install this piece. It's barely a one beer job. So, hopefully this one helps you guys out if you're looking to make it a little bit more convenient. And we'll see you next time. Have a great one. Thanks.